What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Lamborghini Huracan. Let's do a quick walk around and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do with it. So we'll start with the front end. This car was wrapped and the owner finally removed the wrap and he wants to paint it white, the original color. And somebody else installed the body kit, and installation's not too bad, but he wants the LNC final touches to it, so it looks like a brand new car. So for the most part, the gaps are okay. We could work on the gaps a little bit better. We'll do some adjustment. And then he also wants this to be closer, so we'll work on this as well, try to line it up as best as we can. And then we gotta do a little body work on this. Got little rock chips here and there. And then the fenders just needs a little more fitment and better aligning. Right here sticking out a little bit, so we'll work on this. And then the doors and the quarters are perfect, we're not gonna touch them. Then we gotta repaint this piece, gotta repaint the rocker moldings. And then for the back end, he already installed the bumper, so we're gonna paint this upper section of the bumper white. We gotta install the cover and also the spoiler. We're gonna be installing it as well. And same thing, we gotta repaint this and reinstall, and same with the side skirts. Overall, the car is perfect, just needs a little LNC love on it, and that's it. We'll make this car look 100% perfect gaps and everything. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and we'll go from there. I got the Lamborghini on quick jacks, so now we could start working on it. And once again, big shout out to quick jacks for making my life a lot easier. If you guys need a set, all their information down in the description, check them out. And now let's get to work. So right now I'm gonna remove the covers, and then also I gotta disconnect the washer fluid hoses, and we're gonna remove the hood and remove those covers. And I already got my hood, so first thing we're gonna install the hood, and then I'm gonna line everything up according to the hood, so all the gaps gonna be perfect. So that's the plan, let's do this. Just installed the hood now. Based off the hood, we could align all the gaps and the bumper and dial this thing in. But yeah, not too bad, just gotta make it more straight, align everything, but so far looking pretty good. So now I could remove the wheels, the fender liners, the bumper, pretty much take everything apart and re-drill the holes, push them in more, and just realign everything. We'll make it 100% perfect. And the car has ceramic brakes, so we're gonna put this guy right away. So next what I want to do, I want to remove the bumper completely, and then we're gonna start aligning the fenders. And that's it. I think the bumper should come off right now, unless something else is holding. Just removed the bumper, so next I'm gonna remove the fender completely. I gotta drill out the holes so this way we have some movement for the adjustment. And then I gotta clean this edge up, shave a little bit, so this way it has room to move back and forth. See how small the holes are? They're supposed to be a little bigger, so we could do adjustment on them. So yeah, we'll remove the fender, re-drill the holes, and we'll reinstall everything and see how it is. So just remove the fender, and looking at the fender and the bumper, it's supposed to be sitting like this, where the gap is really tight. So we're gonna do our best to make the gaps look like this. So for now, we'll start drilling everything out and retest fitting everything. Okay, right now I wanna work on this edge. Kind of sand it down a little bit. So just drilled everything out, kind of made the holes a little bigger, so this way we got some movement. And now we could test fit it again and see how. Secured the fender, gaps are perfect, super happy. Boom, everything aligning really nice, gaps are perfect, equal, nothing rubbing against the pillar, and perfect gap over here. So next we'll start working on the passenger side and pretty much do the same thing, but this is what it looks like. See how big the gap is up here? And the hood is sticking out, so I gotta fix all this stuff and we should be good. Just remove the passenger fender and I gotta do the same thing, just drill everything out and we'll start test fitting once again. But yeah, the car was wrapped in green. There's a bunch of wrap everywhere. Okay, time to test fit him again. Okie dokie. Okay. Okie dokie. We got some progress, so I'm finished with the front end and it's ready for paint. Let's check it out. So everything lines up really well. Gaps are perfect everywhere. Same with the hood and the bumper. Really nice alignment. And same with this side. So now we're ready for paint. I'm gonna remove everything once again because we're gonna paint everything off the car. And then once everything is painted, I'll reinstall everything and we should be good. Next, I'm gonna work on the back end. I gotta take the back end apart, test fit the bumper a little better. This side is not too bad, pretty good fitment. Just gotta work on this side. This side, for some reason, sticking out. So I'll work on this, make sure fitment is good, and we'll start the painting process, because on this one we're just gonna paint this upper section and leave the bottom carbon fiber. It's gonna look real nice. Back on the Lamborghini, Andre painted all the parts so we could start slowly putting it back together. But came out super nice. Here's the fenders, woo, really clean. That's the front bumper, and that looks amazing. And now you could see all the carbon popping really nice. And then for the final, the rear bumper. And we painted those as well, body color, so everything looking good, and the carbon looks fantastic. So we could start installing. We'll start from the back end and work our way to the front. Just put the back end completely together and it came out perfect. Let's check it out. Everything lining up good, gaps are perfect, nothing sticking out. Oh, that's a clean looking back end. And same with this side. This body color looks a lot better. Gives a little contrast in the back. Obviously the wing makes the biggest difference. We actually got the same wing on the yellow Huracan that we had before. This is one of my favorite. This is a Performante style. So we're done with the back end, so now we could work on the front end, start installing the fenders and all that good stuff. And here's the front fender, looking really good. And I also put a little match behind it, customer wanted, so I had to do a little customization, but it looks really clean. I never did this before, so first time for everything, I guess. But yeah, this is clean. I also like it without the mesh. It looks more of a race car, but the mesh looks pretty good overall. Let's start installing the fenders, and then for the final, we'll install the hood. Andre just sprayed the hood as well, so once it's dry, we'll install the hood and we'll go from there. Just put the front end completely together and it looks really good. I like it. Especially the way that Andre did the hood, where this is exposed and this is body color. It looks really cool. The whole front end looks really aggressive. So we got lots of carbon on front, on the hood, on the side. And then we got the mirrors. And then we got the back end with the wing. So man, this thing's gonna look real nice. So we're all done with the front end. Next, I'm gonna install the side skirts. We're officially finished with this build. Wow, came out beautiful. Let's take a look. Such an aggressive looking front end. Man, this whole car looks like it's on steroids. Crazy looking. Don't mind the wheels, those are temporarily. He's gonna get different custom wheels, but this thing is just crazy looking. I love it. Especially the back end, look at that. Super aggressive. So next we're gonna pull the car out. We'll do a 3 steps polish, detail, and the car is ready to go. Lamborghini is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, came out beautiful. I love this color, and the carbon with white goes really well. And this white color is so bright, it hurts my eyes. Look how beautiful it came out. Perfect gaps, everything, and this carbon with white looks amazing. Hood came out outstanding. Andre killed it. Perfect lines. And then, like I said, customer's gonna get different wheels, so it's gonna look better, a lot better. And the back end, super aggressive as well. Look at that rear diffuser, wow. And this spoiler makes the biggest difference as well, just makes the car look a lot more aggressive. So we're officially done with this build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoyed this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!